So one more time, let's practice refactoring our code to use the async await syntax. Again, this applies for any type of method where you are doing an asynchronous operation that returns a promise. So once again, what I'm going to do first is add the async keyword before our method, our component lifecycle method, and that allows us to use the await keyword internally. So what I'm going to do is drag this down a little bit here and just comment it out. I'm going to change this line to use await because it is the get method that actually returns a promise to us. I'm going to save this to a constant called response. So there we go. So now we're going to have that response object from Axios that's going to store the new batch of filtered employees. And then I can cut this line right here. This is the line that extracts the actual array itself from the data property on the response object. And then, of course, I need to overwrite my current employee slice of state by calling setState and using that ES6 syntax to indicate that I'm targeting the employees property. And I can delete this former code right here. And now we have a little bit of a cleaner look because there's less indentation and also less callback functions to deal with. Other than that, everything should still work the exact same way. And there we go. There we are filtering for MI. So everything looks good. And I will see you in the next lesson.